Struggling with a broken display, hinge, or cable on your HP 255 G7? Watch this step-by-step guide to fix it yourself, save money, and get your laptop back in top shape. Before starting, ensure your laptop is unplugged and safe to work on. First, let's remove the DVD drive. Unscrew it, then slide it out gently to avoid damage. Unscrew the 3 visible screws holding the bottom cover of the laptop. Tip: keep these screws organized to avoid confusion during reassembly. 7 screws are hidden beneath the rubber feet. Carefully pry off the feet using a plastic tool to avoid damage and keep them for reassembly. Once removed, unscrew the screws. After fixing your display, hinge, or cable, don't skip cleaning the fan and heatsink. Use compressed air or a soft brush to clear dust, which can improve airflow and prevent overheating. Regular maintenance like this helps extend your laptop's life. Flip the laptop over for better access. Use a plastic spudger to avoid scratching the casing. Insert it into the gap between the covers and slide it gently along the edges to release the clips. If you encounter resistance, avoid using excessive force. Wiggle the tool slightly until the clip releases. Watch out for fragile areas near the ports, as these are prone to damage. Taking your time here can prevent costly repairs later. Carefully remove the bottom cover. Double-check that no clips are still engaged before pulling it off completely. Begin by disconnecting the battery to eliminate any electrical risks. Unscrew the 3 screws securing the battery. Lift it out and set it aside. These delicate antenna wires are prone to damage during repairs. To prevent issues, gently disconnect them using minimal force. What part are you repairing today? Let us know in the comments and share any tips you've learned. Disconnect the display cable by pulling on the connector, not the wires. Using a spudger can make this process easier. Tip: check the connector for any dirt or damage before reassembly. Loosen all screws securing the hinges. This will prepare the display for safe removal in the next steps. Lift the palm rest slightly to open the hinges. Work slowly during this step to avoid any strain on the frame. Then fully open the hinges by hand. Remove the hinge cover. This is necessary to remove the display bezel. Carefully slide your fingers between the display bezel and the screen to release the bezel. Be cautious, as the bezel can easily break. The lower bezel is glued and can be tricky to remove. Use a plastic spudger to carefully loosen the adhesive, starting from one corner and working your way across. Apply steady, gentle pressure to avoid cracking the bezel. If the adhesive is too strong, use a hairdryer on low heat to soften it, making removal easier. This step requires patience but is crucial for a successful repair of your display, hinges, or cable. Remove the 4 screws securing the display. Keep the screws organized to avoid confusion during reassembly. A magnetic screwdriver is very helpful throughout the disassembly process to prevent the screws from getting lost. Now gently tilt the display forward. Be cautious as the display is still connected to the display cable. Peel off the tape, securing the display connector. Then disconnect the cable from the display. The display is now fully removed. If you're replacing a broken hinge, unscrew all the hinge screws and remove the hinges. Check that the threads in the display cover are not broken before installing new hinges. Now, remove the hinges carefully. Before reassembly, inspect the hinge screws and alignment thoroughly. Misaligned screws can cause uneven pressure, damaging the frame over time. If the hinges feel stiff, apply a small amount of lubricant to ensure smooth movement. If your display cable is defective, replace it now. When installing the new cable, ensure it is routed exactly as before to avoid pinching during reassembly. Congratulations, you've successfully completed the disassembly. If this guide helped revive your laptop, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and share how we can improve future tutorials in the comments.